Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Ash. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with your Google Chromecast. So I will guide you step by step on how to connect the Google Chromecast to the TV, and then finally install the Google Home application, and then finally get your TV started, and then cast anything from your mobile to your TV. So let's get started. I have with me here a Google Chromecast device and the USB cable which is required to power the Google Chromecast. Note that the TV what you are using, it should have at least one HDMI port free and at least one USB port free, because these two things we will require to get connected on the TV. So I have here with me LED TV. Although it's a smart TV, but I will still demo you on how to connect Google Chromecast with this. So if you already have a smart TV, then there's no use of Google Chromecast as such, because the TV will already have an inbuilt Google Chromecast, or rather any casting device. So I will just show you how many ports do I have behind my TV. So if you can see, I can see at least three HDMI ports behind my TV, and there are two USB ports, out of which I am using one of them, and one of them is free. So as I mentioned earlier, at least you should have one USB port and one HDMI port, which is required for the Google Chromecast. Now let's first connect the USB cable to the Chromecast, and then we will connect both the things to the TV. So this is now ready to be connected to the TV. So let's connect the HDMI port and the USB port to the device. So now I have connected the USB cable to the USB port, and the Google Chromecast's HDMI cable to the HDMI port. So now we are all set. Please remember that please turn off the TV before you do so, to avoid any issues. Now let's turn on the TV. So again, note that this is an Android TV, but then the Google Chromecast is already inbuilt in this TV. But if you have a normal TV, that is a non-smart TV, then you can use the Google Chromecast device and literally make your TV smart. So that's the beauty of the Google Chromecast. See, now this is the main home screen of my smart TV, but in your case, it might show something different. It might show no signal, or it might also show, if you have Tata Sky or any other set-top box, then it will show that particular uh, screen. So select your input options, and you can see what are the different ports which are available. So for me it is already showing Chromecast, but some TVs might just show the port name, that is HDMI 1, HDMI 2. So accordingly select your port which is connected to your Chromecast. So in my case I will select Chromecast. Okay, so whenever a Chromecast is connected to your TV but it is not set up, it will basically give you this particular screen. First of all, you have to download application called as Google Home by your Play Store. So let's go to Play Store and say Home, or you can say Google Home. Okay, I already have this application installed, so it is showing me open option. Otherwise, please go ahead and install it and then open it. Now again, one of the things to notice, you should already have a Google account with you so that you can use that account. So I will click open. Now for me it is showing me this screen, but in your case it might show an option to first log into your Google account, and then it will show this home screen. Okay, so if you can observe, I can see immediately see it gives an option to set up Chromecast. So I can click on that. Then you can select, you can either add a new home, or you can just select the default home which is available. So I will click on home, click next. Now it is searching for the devices. It should search the Google Chromecast shortly. Yeah, it says Chromecast found. Click on yes. Now it says it will use a temporary Wi-Fi. So yeah, just go ahead with this. Say connect. Also note that please have your Wi-Fi turned on before you do this entire setup, because of course the Chromecast will require Wi-Fi for its setup. Okay, yeah, now the next step, it says, do you see the same code on your TV? So yes, I see the same code, so I will click yes. You can help improve Chromecast. You can decide if you want or not. Either ways it will go ahead. Yes, now this is an important step. So it will show you the list of Wi-Fi's which are available. So if at all you have multiple Wi-Fi's, please go ahead and select the Wi-Fi which you would like the TV to use. So in my case, I only have one Wi-Fi, so I will click next. You have an option to either save password or not, and finally it's connecting. This should be the last step. Okay, so it is now connected, and immediately it would have checked whether there are any updates for the Chromecast, and it has started updating. So yeah, let's give it a few seconds. Okay, it has installed the updates. Now it is trying to restart. All right, it is trying to restart now. Yeah, now it is it is installing the updates. It should restart in about few seconds from now. Yeah, it is turning on now. The initial setup will only take some time, otherwise the next time onwards it should be pretty fast. Now that your Chromecast is set up, you can also see your device in this home. Okay, so uh, note that if you change your Wi-Fi connection, or the Wi-Fi password, or Wi-Fi setting, then you will have to reconfigure this device. But otherwise, if no changes are done, then you're all set to go from the next time. So as soon as you turn on your TV, and if you select that particular HDMI port, and as long as the Wi-Fi is turned on, you should come to the home screen. So whenever you see any when a screen on which you see the time or the temperature and the different wallpapers, that means your Wi-Fi or the Chromecast is connected. Now let's go ahead and see how do you cast anything on your TV. So let's get started. Let's get started with the YouTube. Okay, so I will open YouTube here. Okay, now when you open YouTube or any application, whenever you see this symbol, that means you can cast to your TV. Let me try casting the YouTube video onto the TV. So I will click on this symbol and select the device name. Okay, so you will see this screen coming up, the YouTube screen. Now you can click on the selected video again, and then it will immediately cast it on the TV. So click on play. So it will say playing on your particular TV. So the YouTube video is on your TV now. So yes, this is how I just showed you how to cast the YouTube videos, but for any other application like Netflix or Prime, also the Google Chromecast option is available. So you can simply use the cast button and cast all the videos on your directly on your TV. So I hope this video was helpful for you and you will be able to connect your device now to the TV. If you have liked this video, please click on like, share, and also please do subscribe the channel. Thank you very much and you have a nice day.